Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, DeAvila Sadé, with your girl, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, and I'm back with a new video. Y'all, we have finally made it to getting my hair color corrected. If you are new to my channel, then this might be your first video. But if you're not new to my channel, you've already seen my video regarding how I didn't really care for my color. So yeah, I know I got some comments about like, girl, how you didn't know you didn't like your color? So it took me about a week to realize I didn't like my color, because about 2 days after I got my hair color, I came down with COVID. I went and spoke at a conference in Nashville and caught COVID. So I was in the bed for a week. So by the time I took off that bun, you know how when you get sick and you just ready to shower, wash your sheets, everything, like cleanse. I wanted to wash my hair, everything. Yeah, when I washed my hair and I was doing content, I was like, oh no, this is not gonna work. So I reached out to my loctician because she lives and works in Memphis and I live in Atlanta now. And I was asking her, sorry, my arm is getting tired. I was asking her, what can I do in Atlanta to fix the color correction? She was like, no, I'm gonna take care of it. So I flew back to Memphis to get my hair done. So it's about, maybe about 6 weeks since I've got my color. So I'm gonna retie today as well since I'm here. And I'm just hoping for the best, guy. I'm a little nervous. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a little nervous. My thing is, if I just do not care for the color this go around, then I just wanna go jet black. That's it, that's all. I just want to go jet black. I don't want to feel like, I don't want to walk around with my hair I don't want to walk around not feeling my best. So that is going to be the goal. That's what we're going to aim for. We're going to hope for the best. Everything going to work out. But yeah, I'm going to take y'all on this journey, and let's go ahead and get into it. And we're back. Y'all. I did it. I got my hair color corrected. Say bye-bye to the yellow. Okay. Honest opinion. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna do a little spin around for you, but tell me what you think, y'all. tell me what you think, honey. Tell me what you think. So, I definitely like it better than what I had, for sure. That's it, that's all. I definitely like it better than what I had. I think it's gonna have to grow on me. Like, I don't dislike it. I just think I'm so like, okay, let me see how it is after the first wash, because I just got this done a couple of days ago. I want to see how it looks as, you know, I wash it, how it grows on me. But I think it's gonna be a yes for you, girl. I think it's gonna be a yes for you, girl. If I just turn out later not to like it, then we just gonna go back black. We gonna go back jet black, and all of this bleaching and everything will be for nothing. So she didn't bleach my hair this time. She put a permanent color on. I forgot what color it was, but yeah, she just put it on top of the blonde. I think what was hard for me with this, or what we kind of had trouble with, was because when she originally did my hair, she bleached it first. Some of my locks, this side turned quicker than this side. So even though we put, you know, the reddish color on there or whatever, you can still kind of tell that these are lighter than these. So maybe these are toned down. It's not a big drastic difference versus like, it's not giving Cruella DeVille like the other color. So to me, the other color was giving Cruella DeVille. But yeah, y'all, this is it. This is gonna be the end of the video. I don't think I have too much more to say as of right now. I just again feel like it's gonna have to grow on me. But follow me on my journey of figuring out what kind of purple shampoo I'm gonna use for my hair, just my new routine with color treated hair, all of that. I'm also thinking about doing a video that I'm probably gonna have come out sometime in April, probably. I'm gonna do one of like all of my setbacks in my Microloc journey. I really have been thinking about that video a lot. Like, I really want to be very transparent about what I feel like are my setbacks in my journey. I think we always kind of highlight the good things or how to make your locks grow and all of that. But I think I really want to do a video on like my setbacks over the past 2.5 years. So yes, I'm gonna think about doing that video. But if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment below, share the video, this, that, and the other. Follow me on TikTok and on Twitter at my handles that are below. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.